I recently picked up the United Business Card because I wanted a travel card that actually makes flying easier and hopefully earn some decent miles along the way. If you fly United even a few times a year, this card constantly shows up as a top recommendation. But is it just airport perks and marketing, or does it really deliver value for business owners? Let's find out. This is a co-branded business travel card from Chase and United Airlines, designed for small business owners and frequent flyers. What you get: 2x miles on United Airlines purchases, dining including takeout and delivery, gas stations, office supply stores, and local transit. 1x miles on all other purchases, 75,000 bonus miles after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months, free first check bag for you and one companion, priority boarding, 2 United Club one-time passes per year, 25% back on United in-flight purchases, no foreign transaction fees, travel protections like trip cancellation, car rental coverage, and lost luggage reimbursement, free employee cards with adjustable spending limits. It's built to give small business travelers solid value and comfort without the premium card price tag. Why it works: the bonus miles offer is generous for a card under $100 per year. Free check bags and priority boarding save time and hassle. The 2x miles on dining, gas, and office supplies make it useful even when you're not traveling. The lounge passes are a nice perk if you travel once or twice a year and want access without paying full price. No foreign transaction fees make it great for international trips, and Chase's business platform makes expense tracking simple. Employee card controls are handy for teams or assistants. For regular United flyers, the perks can easily outweigh the annual fee. What to watch out for: the $99 annual fee kicks in after the first year. Miles are tied to the United Mileage Plus program, so flexibility is limited. Lounge access is only 2 passes per year, not unlimited. No premium benefits like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Hotel Elite status. Award flight availability can be hit or miss during busy seasons. If you're not loyal to United, a flexible travel card might make more sense. Best for business owners who frequently fly United or live near a United hub. Teams that value free check bags, lounge visits, and in-flight perks. Entrepreneurs who spend heavily on gas, dining, and supplies. Travelers who want strong rewards without paying for a premium travel card. United loyalists who want to build Mileage Plus miles quickly. Skip it if you fly multiple airlines and prefer flexible points like Chase Ultimate Rewards. You want full-time lounge access. You're after luxury perks or elite status upgrades. You don't fly enough to justify a travel-focused card.